Welcome to Study Loop.
So we're rolling two six-sided dice. So I'm just going to make the sample space for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I could roll a 1 and a 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, and so forth. Or my first roll could be a 2. It could be a 3. My first roll could be a 4. First roll could be a 5. 6 and a 1, a 6 and then a 2, a 6 and a 3, a 6 and a 4, 6 and a 5, and a 6 and a 6. So I want to know the probability of rolling 11. So that is going to be given by the number of rolls of 11 over the total number of rolls. So you can see that my sample space is 6 by 6. So there are 36 possible outcomes. And let's see, from those outcomes, 5 and 6 and 6 and 5 are the only ways that I'm going to get an 11. So the probability of an 11 is going to equal 2 over 36. I can reduce that fraction to 1 over 18. And that's my answer.